When it comes to surveying services in Noida Sector 50, there is one name that stands out: surveyors. Noida Sector 50. PHP. They are a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who specialize in providing accurate and reliable surveying solutions to clients in this area. Whether you need land surveying, construction surveying, or any other kind of surveying service, they have the expertise and knowledge to deliver exceptional results. Their commitment to quality and professionalism sets them apart from others in the industry. One area where surveyors Noida Sector 50 PHP excels is in Scon design. Scon design refers to the process of designing and creating sconces, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. These fixtures not only provide illumination but also add a touch of elegance and style to any space. The team at surveyors Noida Sector 50 PHP has a deep understanding of Scon design principles and can create custom designs that perfectly match the aesthetic and functional requirements of their clients. The Scon design process starts with a thorough analysis of the client's needs and preferences. The team at surveyors Noida Sector 50 PHP takes into account factors such as the size and layout of the space, the desired lighting levels, and the overall design theme. Based on this information, they create a detailed design plan that includes the placement of sconces, the type of lighting source to be used, and any additional features or embellishments. This plan is then presented to the client for approval before proceeding with the actual fabrication and installation. Surveyors Noida Sector 50 PHP uses state-of-the-art technology and equipment to ensure precision and accuracy in their Scon design work. They utilize advanced software programs to create 3D models and virtual simulations of the proposed designs, allowing clients to visualize how the finished product will look in their space. Surveyors Noida Sector 50 is a well-known name when it comes to surveying services in Noida Sector 50 PHP. They are an expert group of surveyors with years of expertise who focus on offering clients in this region precise and trustworthy surveying solutions. No matter what type of surveying service you require, land surveying, construction surveying, or another, they have the skills and understanding to produce top-notch outcomes. They distinguish themselves from competitors in the sector by their dedication to professionalism and quality. Sector 50 of Surveyors Noida is one such location. Scon design is where PHP shines. Designing and making sconces, which are ornate wall-mounted lighting fixtures, is referred to as Scon design. In addition to providing illumination, these fixtures give any place a dash of class and charm. The employees of surveyors Noida Sector 50 PHP has a thorough understanding of Scon design concepts and is capable of producing unique designs that exactly meet the client's needs in terms of both form and function. The needs and desires of the client are carefully analyzed as the first step in the Scon